Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my unboxing today. I'll be unboxing the Supreme Toolbox from week 1. As you can see, it came in a big cardboard box. So yeah, it's a good thing because usually Supreme shipping is like trash. This will be my my second toolbox, that I have. So far I've gotten 3 bouncy balls. Hopefully I get one in here. Alright. As you can see, we got the big Supreme bag. Oh yeah, they did. Packaging well. God damn. Just give me you guys. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright, so that's it. It comes in a big Supreme bag. I think this side's up. Alright, sorry for that. My camera stopped recording for some reason, so back to the clip. So we're just unboxing the real packaging for the Supreme Toolbox. Ooh, there it is. I'll take this side out. Alright, this is it. And this is the Supreme Toolbox. Let's see what I get inside. God damn. Did not want to break anything. That's why. Dope. So I got 2 Supreme stickers and the bouncy ball. You already know. Gang comes with this, and that's it. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe down below, like the video, comment what you caught from week 1 for Supreme. Alright, see ya in week 3. Alright, peace.